Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very quick review about this powerful website called LinkS. LinkS is a LinkedIn automation tool that comes with help. It promises to save you times and help you grow faster. But is it really the best one out there for 2025? So I'm going to create a very quick review and a key important features and the benefits and the pricing plan about this platform. So let's get started. GrowthX is like a special helper tools for LinkedIn. It uses smart computer programs called AI to help you connect with more people for your business. If you want to create more B2B leads and solve your growth problem, GrowthX might be for you. Think of it as getting a growth strategy without having to do all the hard work yourself. It's like having a GrowthX membership that helps you grow your business connections on LinkedIn fast. And here's the top benefit of you using this AI website. It comes with a save times. It helps you save your times. It also help you find more leads to your business. Comes with a better connection, learn new things, which is part of learning, and also you see results yourself. Also get the real content and grow your team skills. And here are the best features. GrowthX has some really cool tools that makes growing your LinkedIn network easier. These features help you do things faster and smarter. So let's look at some of the best features, like a launch campaign. It also comes with a managed connection and a customizable template, which help you with a lot of stuff. Also help you with handle users accounts. You can handle multiple user accounts in just one place. And also comes with create a follow-up message. So help you create a follow-up message for your customers at a time. And talking about the pricing plan, they have about 4 pricing plan. So they have the free trial pricing plan, which is absolutely free with 0 amount. It also comes with a core plan with a specific amount, about $79 to $85 per month, with an acceleration plan which comes about $239 to $250 per month, and it comes with a different key features for each and every plan. So if you want more information about the plan, you can just simply go back to the website to check more about this website. So the link to the video or to the website is in the video. So check the top part, then you see the links to the video or to the website. So that's it. So talking about the pros and cons. So talking about the pros, it comes a safe, valuable time, find more connections, offer learning tools, and try the different message with a good for teams. So here talking about the downside, it can cost more and need a learning, and also result varies and less personal touch. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website. Thanks.